With the introduction of FlexiChef, we started a new chapter in the history of professional cooking technology. FlexiChef, the multi-award-winning multifunctional appliance, has not only improved efficiency and processes in many professional kitchens, it has also made a sustainable impact on them. Now the success story is continuing 8 years on. Drawing on our long and extensive experience and expertise, we are proud to present you the new FlexiChef 2. We've listened to the market and clearly redefined high performance. FlexiChef's outstanding overall performance has been further enhanced by an increased level of automation, a faster operating system, and even more power. FlexiChef 2 is now faster than ever before. Space Clean, the first and only automatic cleaning system for skillet pans so far, is one of the new FlexiChef special highlights. Space Clean not only saves resources, it also reduces costs. And it does this without chemicals or extra cleaning by hand. Is it time for a quick cleaning cycle in between cooking processes? That's no problem at all for Space Clean, and it just takes 2 minutes. It couldn't be easier. Its new installation concept allows for FlexiChef 2 to be easily and effortlessly mounted and installed. Faster, larger, and more intuitive. That's a good, concise description of FlexiChef's new operating concept. A 10-inch display as well as many new functions top off the overall impression of this smart control system. MKN's new concept, Guided Cooking, stands out with its higher degree of automation and a number of support functions. This equipment philosophy combined with intelligent technology mean that even an untrained user can achieve culinary excellence. The next step in technical evolution is connectivity. Appliances can be interconnected using intelligent technology. MKN's cloud solution, Connected Kitchen, creates new methods of communication in professional kitchens. FlexiChef's success story continues. Look forward to high-performance cooking, redefined by MKN.